Okay, here's the boundary marker where New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York meet. Or maybe that's down here. Yeah, it's down here. I think that one was the northern point of New Jersey. Okay, this is the monument where the three states meet: New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania. 2 years ago I was here and I lost my magnet right over here somewhere. I wonder if it's still here. I doubt it. I tied it to a rock. And somebody probably came down and grabbed it. Look at all those rocks. No wonder I got snagged. I see something metal in the water right there. I think that's metal. We will go get the magnet and find out a couple things. Doesn't look that deep, so maybe we can wait out if I get snagged. Doesn't look too clean with all the bubbles, but that's the way our world is today. Okay, let's go get the magnet.